Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel Shazar Naeem. So, in our previous video, we discussed about C++ introduction. Now we will discuss what is the syntax of C++. So, let's get started. So, we will discuss how to write C++ syntax. So, let's get started with our first program to print hello world. So this is our program. First of all, we open our compiler. I am using C++ compiler of Visual Studio C++ 22. So this is the interface. If you don't know how to download this Visual Studio 22, check out our video in our channel. I also pin this video I also pin the video. So let's go. First, we click on the create new project. Click on empty project. First, you also select here in which language you want to work. In my case, I want to work C++. Click on it. Here you select empty project. Click next. Give project name. First program. Click on create. Wait until the program is ready. So we right click on this source file, right click on it, click on add, click on new item. You can change this file name .cpp. In this scenario we will remain it same. So first of all we write hashtag include iostream. Now what is iostream and what is hashtag include? We will search on Google. What is iostream library? iostream library is an object-oriented library that provides input and output functionality using streams. Basically, uh, iostream एक input output library है uh, जिसमें functions होते हैं like सी आउट सी इन के. तो the purpose of the iostream has to include iostream. The iostream is a header file which contain all the functions of program like cout, cin. So, and hashtag include tells the preprocessor to include these header files in the program. It is a header file in which C++, which is responsible for input and output streams. Basically, it is in IOStream is a rich library of input and output objects, classes, etc. So go back to our compiler. Now we write using namespace std. So we will discuss what is namespace std. Using namespace std means that we can use names for objects and variables for the standard library. Basically, it supports the library which we include. So it we the purpose of the using namespace std is it just makes your code easier to write. IOStream library has a class that is called std. IOStream library में class है जिसका नाम std है. This the code using namespace tell your compiler if you find a method being called that is in S class, then immediately use method in the S class. Basically, it tell the IOStream library that the method which is called, if it is in that class, then immediately use that in that class. So go back to our compiler. Now we write. We will do mistake. Namespace std. No, we will write int main. Int basically is a data type. So main is a function. We will assign that function integer. We will don't use any data types other than integers. So we also see that what are data types in C++. Basic data types defines the size and the type of information that the variable will store. So there are different data types like Boolean, character, int, float, double. The data type size of Boolean is 1 byte. Character is equal to 1 byte. Integer have 2 or 4 byte. Float 4 byte, double 8 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. So calculate these in bits. So go back to our compiler. Basically, int main is a function in which we write code and execute that code. So syntax is that we first write data type, then main function curly brackets, round brackets, then we write two curly, first open bracket, curly bracket, then close the curly bracket. So we want to print hello world. So for printing we use cout that bracket, and we write in string hello hello word. After completing our statement, we write semicolon at end of every statement. If we don't use it, also shows an error red line. So we terminate that line to execute the other line. So we use semicolon. So this is our program of writing hello world. We can execute by clicking on local window debugger. Wait until the program start. Program is building. Wait for a minute. So this show hello world. We write hello world. This show in this console. So if we want to print more statements, we also use cout second statement. We are we run the program. Wait for a second. You will see that hello world and second statement. So if you want to print the second statement on the next line, so basically use and L. And then and L mean end line. So it will print hello world on first line, second statement on second line. You will see that hello world on first line, second statement on second line. We also use \n for printing on a next line. You will see that in the syntax. Uh, Here the syntax statements. There is no statement, so we use we also use other statement like \n to print on separate line. We run the code. You will see that both statement print on separate lines. We also comments. We also place comments like to forward slash write anything first program. It will not display on the console. So execute it. You will see that the first program does not print on the console. You can comment multiple lines like forward slash static forward slash oh, forward slash static Now these statements become comments. This will not show on the console. We will see by running it. You will see that there is no output. So this is our video. We will see that how to write our first program in C++ and how we print multiple lines. So if you like our video, then share with your friends. Also subscribe our video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.